Hey guys, how's it doing? So welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how we're going to wrap this gear knob. So it's pretty much simple, whether it's the gear knob or whatever the interior trim it is. The process is quite similar. So you need some stuff for this actually. Definitely you'll need this wrap first of all. So this is actually a leather wrap. I don't know whether it's catching up on this grain like thing. So this is not that expensive, you can get it on online store. I'll make sure I drop the link down in the description. And then you need a kind of paper cutter or whatever, a blade, and a pair of scissors as well. You will need these tools to get onto the tight spots. You might use a ruler for this if you don't have these tools, but this is also not that expensive. I'll put the link in the description. And we need some soapy water as well to clean the surface before we do anything, and wipe it off with a clean microfiber towel. Also we need a dryer. You can use a hair dryer for this, or else a hair blower. So hair dryer would do the job, but if you're doing much more advanced projects like wrapping a whole car, you definitely need a hair dryer. Sorry. Okay, then let's get started. So things you need to do is definitely clean this, because we are constantly touching it and there are all sorts of oils building up on the gear knob. You need to clean it, make it dry, and then wrap it completely. So we're going to wrap on these two sides. This is the leather sides. You can also wrap the middle chrome trim as well, or even with chrome or whatever the wrap you are willing to use. I'm not going to do that now, but maybe later. But for now, I'm going to do the leather wrap. First we're going to use some soapy water and this microfiber towel to clean the surface. Before we start anything, we need to make sure that's clean and dirt free. Remove all the cream and stuff. And make sure it's dried pretty well. So it's pretty clean now. The next step is you need to measure how much wrap you're gonna need. So in this case, this trim is only running up to this place, so all this back and the sides need to be wrapped. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get measurements for this first of all. Something like this would do. So remove some excess, so it's easy for you to handle it. Since we have this now, we can start things off. So don't worry about these tapes, you can just remove it later on. They come right off. Right. So the air blowing part is mainly coming into action when you have these curves to be covered. So unless it's not that needed, so to cover the curves, so guys, the gain up came out pretty well. In here there was a small cutting error which I did. I had to correct it by applying another small piece of wrapping. That was alright though. That's it. Actually there's no street marks anywhere except for these edges, and that's actually a bit hard to get over. I might redo this gear knob later, maybe after a few months. So for now it's really good. It's pretty solid, better than it was before. So thank you for watching guys, and I hope this video was helpful for you also to try something like this. I suggest you can just try something flat like this first of all, then going on to something like this, which would make things easier. So thank you for watching once again. If you like this video, please like it and share it, and also consider subscribing. This is actually my first video, and thank you very much. Have a great day.